Okay, y'all, we are going to talk about sacrificing for success. I actually got this question from one of you guys, from Mallory. Hey, Mallory, comment below. Let me know that you're watching this. Asking, is it possible to have success in business and in love, or do you have to make sacrifices? So if any of you guys have ever had this question, drop this comment. Let Mallory know that she's not alone. I'm going to answer this question by saying yes and no. So let me first start off with why this is a no. We all have 168 hours in our week. And guess what? It doesn't need to take more than 40 hours to build a business. And anyone who's going to tell you otherwise, they're saying that simply because they haven't figured it out for themselves. They don't realize it's possible because they haven't done it. They think because they've had to put in 50, 60, 80, 100 hours a week to build their business, they think that that's true of everybody. And it's not. So you're putting in 40 hours a week in your business. You're putting in, I don't know how many hours to sleep, hopefully 8 hours every night. You've got plenty of other time for the things that matter in your life, including relationships. Now, I know Mallory's in a place right now where she's got a lot going on. She's starting a new business, she's moving, and she just got out of a relationship and is hoping to find somebody else. There's a lot happening. So I'm not going to say there's not a season of your life where you may want to put more time and energy into one thing than another. You may want to put more than 40 hours a week into your business right now, and that's totally okay. We all have seasons in our life where we're going to put more time into our business, more time into our families, more time into our health. And that's normal and natural, but those things shouldn't have to be sacrificed for something else that's equally important. So this goes back to the rocks in the jar, right? If your life is the jar, your big rocks are the things that matter the most. This is the people in your life. This is your health and well-being. And these are your long-term goals, your business or your career. Now, when I say business or career, that doesn't encompass everything in your business and career. Sometimes the little admin things, the small things that need to happen in your business are not the big rocks, right? Sometimes those are the small pebbles. So if we sit here and we put the big rocks in the jar first, we can fit the small pebbles and the sand and the water in around those things. But most people make the mistake of doing the opposite. They put the little things in their life first, and then they wonder why they don't have time for the big things. And then they're stuck sacrificing. Do I choose my business, my career, my long-term goals? Do I choose my health? Do I choose my family? Because they've prioritized all that little crap, right? Now, this is where I also get to say, yes, you will make sacrifices for the most important things in your life. For love, for business, for health, for whatever your biggest vision for your life is, you're going to make sacrifices for that. It's not going to be those things that you sacrifice because those things make up success for you, right? But what are you going to sacrifice? You're probably going to sacrifice binge watching Netflix or being completely up to date on all of your favorite shows. You might need to sacrifice social media. You might need to sacrifice how clean your home is or where you live. Maybe you're going to sacrifice some things that will not matter 5 years from now to be able to prioritize the things that matter right now. So do you have to make sacrifices? Absolutely. You're going to make sacrifices of stupid, inconsequential things that do not matter, that you will not remember in 5 years' time. But no, you do not need to sacrifice the things that do matter. Your health and your well-being, the people that you love or the people that you want to meet and fall in love with, and your business, your big goals and dreams in your business, not the time wasters in your business, because those are the small rocks at best, oftentimes the pebbles in the sand. So I hope that this makes sense, and I hope that this shows you that it's up to you and your perception of what matters for you right now. It's up to you and your perception of what's a big rock and what's a small rock and what's sand and what's water and what you're going to put first in your life and what you're willing to let go of. I've made a lot of mistakes in my life. I've sacrificed important things for unimportant things before. Don't make that mistake. The number one thing you need to understand for yourself, you need to know, what are the big rocks in my life, right? How much time do those big rocks actually need to take? And then how am I going to prioritize them? What does that actually look like? And when you can answer those questions, you're going to have a week laid out that includes time for your business, and that includes time for your people, and then includes time for your health. And then maybe it includes time for binge watching something on Netflix, and maybe it doesn't. but it won't even matter because your life's going to be so full of the things that do. No, you do not need to sacrifice what does matter. Yes, you need to make sacrifices for what does matter, but not the things that do matter. You're not sacrificing the things that do matter for other things that do matter. You're sacrificing the things that don't for the things that do. So good luck, have fun. I'll see you in the next one. Hey, if you're brand new here, my name is Tara Wagner. I've been a belief breakthrough coach since 2010. I help female entrepreneurs to get their heads, their hearts, and their habits in the right place so they can crush their goals, not their soul. And if that sounds like your jam, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss a video. Leave me a comment below letting me know the questions you have on mindset and entrepreneurship. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it encouraging or helpful or would like to see more like it. And make sure you check out these next videos as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.